Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the lock operational, install fresh batteries, and confirm the latch moves freely. Once done, open the Tuya Smart or Smart Life app and sign in. Make sure Bluetooth and location permissions are granted so the phone sees the device. Next, put the lock into factory pairing mode. This is usually a long press on the keypad or a small reset pin. Doing this first prevents failed discovery and saves time because an unreset unit won't pair reliably. You now add the lock inside the app. Tap Add Device, select the correct smart lock model and connection method, Bluetooth for direct control, Wi-Fi if the lock or a gateway supports it. When prompted, enter the temporary admin code printed in the manual. This authenticates the device to your account. Allow any firmware updates fix bugs and improve security. After firmware, calibrate the latch and set mechanical limits in the app so the motor stops at the correct positions. Test manual and app unlock to confirm alignment. Finish by creating permanent admin and user codes, enrolling fingerprints or cards, and configuring auto-lock timing and door sensor actions so behavior matches your routine. Once done, integrate with Alexa, Google, or your home hub via the gateway. Make sure you name the lock clearly to avoid confusion in automations. Test unlocking, locking, and scheduled actions several times at different distances. If something goes wrong, stop, reset the lock, reboot your phone, and attempt pairing within 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.